guys, in this video we will talk about the code editor. Basically, code editor we require to write the Terraform code, and we can write the Terraform code with any of the code editor. But the main thing is that we have to set .tf extension over that particular code file. If you check over the internet related to code editor, we have a lots of code editors available in the market. Let's check. These are the main code editors. You can use any one of them. You can use Vim, PyCharm, Atom, Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio. Anything, whatever is comfortable for you, you can use it. But I'm recommending to use the Visual Studio code. And the reason behind that is it is more user friendly. So you have to just download the code editor. Either you are using the Windows or using the Linux operating system on your desktop or a Windows operating system on your desktop. You just to download the appropriate binaries file for Visual Studio Code Editor and double click over there and then click next, next, next. It will automatically install. Once the code editor will install, it will look like this. After installing the code editor or after installing the Visual Studio, as I am recommending to use the Visual Studio for writing the code, the reason behind that is it's more user friendly. That's the reason I'm recommending it. Once you successfully installed it, you have to click over the extensions and you have to search the Terraform over there. Once you type the Terraform over the search bar, you have to find out HashiCorp Terraform extension with blue tick, and you have to click over the install. It will automatically install. After that, whenever you create a new file with extension.tf, it automatically understand that you will write the code for Terraform, and if having any mistakes or if you need any help, it will automatically show you over the same dashboard. Thanks, guys. Or basically, guys, you can take a help over the internet or over the YouTube. Lot of videos are available. Just if you are facing any issues, just just paste the comment. I will try to resolve it.